Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create these really beautiful, glittery, almost ugly sweater-like nails. So I did this one as an accent nail and I think it looks absolutely gorgeous paired with a red mani, but you could totally do this as a couple of accent nails. You could do this design on all of your nails, totally up to you, but I really love how it turned out, and if you want to know how to create it, then just keep watching. The first step is always applying a base coat. The base coat I am using is this Probelle Beauty Hydrating Base Coat. I really love it. It does a really great job of hydrating. And then on my ring finger, since it is the accent nail, I applied 2 thin coats of my all-time favorite white polish from OPI called Alpine Snow. And since I will be using tape to create this design, I'm using a fast drying top coat, and this one is Speed Setter from Essie. It dries super quick, which is really helpful because you want your nails to dry fast and completely for doing the tape. While you let your fast drying top coat dry, I painted the rest of my nails this gorgeous red color. This is OPI Amore at the Grand Canal. And then once my white accent nails were completely dry, I started placing my tape, and it does take a little bit of time, a little bit of practice to place the tape kind of like I'm doing, but it's totally worth it once you see the design finished. It is quite tedious and kind of annoying, but it is kind of relaxing to place the tape. These are decals from What's Up Nails, but you could also use nail tape from Born Pretty store, whatever you have lying around. And then for the glittery design for red, I'm using Chyna from ZOYA, and this is a pixie dust polish, so it is going to dry textured. And I am using a medium-sized dotting tool to place my red polish in between each of those diamond shapes. And this design is when time is definitely your enemy. You want to fill in these diamonds as quickly as possible because you don't want to wait too long for the polish to dry to peel off the tape, because then you'll get a big globby mess. And then the green I'm using from ZOYA, another pixie dust, is Elphie, one of my all-time favorite ZOYA polishes. And again, it is very important that you try to do this as quickly as possible so that when you peel off the tape you have nice clean lines. Once you have everything filled in, you want to quickly but also carefully peel back your tape, and this is honestly the most fun part because then you finally get to reveal your design. If your lines aren't super clean, you could always take a really small nail art brush, even a toothpick, dip it in a little bit of white and clean up your lines. You could also dip it in either the red or green to clean up the diamonds a little bit, but yeah, I think it looks so gorgeous. I love it. And then you want your diamonds to dry completely before you apply top coat to prevent smearing. The top coat I'm using is my all-time favorite. This top coat is just so amazing, and it's Essie Gel Setter. So that is it for this nail art tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. This overall took me about an hour, so it is a little bit time consuming, but I think the results are totally worth it. And you could use this as one accent nail. You could also have another glitter accent nail. Switch it up however you'd like, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, be sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.